So in this video, you are going to learn how to set up a free trial with AccessAlly, and you're going to see that it's super easy. Okay, so you're going to go to AccessAlly products. So first we're going to go to products and create a product. So we're going to call it the Membership Lab, for example. It's going to be a recurring payment. So even if you're setting up a trial for a course that's a one-time payment, you still want to set up the course here, the product as recurring, because the payment is delayed. Therefore, it's a delayed payment. So there is a recurring so that we can catch any failed payment and things like that. Okay. But here we're really going to talk about recurring payments. So I'm going to give it a name here, the Membership Lab. So obviously, if you already have a product that doesn't have the trial, you can just duplicate it here because you'll have all the automation and tags already, but I'm starting from scratch. So this is going to be $97 a month, and I'm going to say only 97 a month after a 15-day trial, for example, okay? Then I'm going to go to recurring payments, and here I'm going to say that this is a product with a recurring payments with a trial period, and here the first payment starts after 15 days, and here I'm going to say free trial period, and you'll see where this shows up in the order form, and then otherwise I want people to be charged every month. Okay, so this is my product, and then in the automation tab, that's where we want to set up the payment fail and things like that. So I already have tags for that. Payment failed, the revoke, Membership Lab revoke access, started order, the Membership Lab started order, here we go. So this is so that you can catch if the payment fails after the trial, after they are supposed to be charged, okay? So once you've set up the product detail, the recurring payments and the automations, you can save, and then we're going to create an offer and put that product in it. So then we go to offers, add new, I'm going to give it a name. So I'm going to call the Membership Lab with a 15-day free trial. This name is just for me, okay? It's internal. And then here in the products, I'm going to select the Membership Lab, and you're going to see that it says 97, so we're all good. In the automation, this is where you want to set up what is going to happen on successful payment. So if you already have a membership that is the recurring and it has the right tag, you can just duplicate that offer and just change the product. But here I'm starting from scratch. So I'm starting the order here. And then here I am going to, on successful payment, I'm going to give them the made purchase. And here I am going to give them the as access tag. Here we go. And then I also have an active member tag. Here we go. And then here I click yes so that the account is created right away on successful payment. Okay. Next, I want to go to payment success because that tells what's going to happen on successful payment. So by default, they're going to get to a page like this, with an opportunity, with a button, with an opportunity to be auto-logged in. So you want to fill this out the way you want. I usually take this out and I say dashboard. And here I put a link to the dashboard. Okay, and that's it. So I save this. Here we go. So let me go back to product, the Membership Lab, because I think that in the automation, this is the payment success tag. So I missed that one, payment success, like that. So you should already have these tags, set up for your membership. So you just copy what you had. And then the next thing to do is to create a new page and to place your order. So I'm going to come here. We're going to create a new page. And we are going to call it Join the Lab. Join the Lab with a 15-day trial period. I'm going to say use Divi Builder, insert one column. I use Divi here, but you can use any theme obviously. And then I'm going to insert a text. And then here I'm going to go to Access Ally. I'm going to select the order forms and I'm going to choose the membership lab with the 15-day free trial. You can choose here if you want to allow coupon or not. I'm just going to say no, like that, and I save. The last thing I do is I remove the header because I don't like to see the header, you know, with all the menu items on an order page, an order form, and that's it. So now if we look at our page, this is the name of the product, this is the description, and this is what's going to happen. 97 every month after a 15-day free trial period. So now if I enter the information and I click next, you could see immediate payment due 0. This card will be charged 97 every month after a 15-day trial period. So they still enter their credit card, but they are not charged until 15 days after. All right, so I hope that you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments, and if you're looking for more Access Ally tutorials, just let me know. If you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please click on the button below to subscribe so that you can turn on notifications and be notified when we come up with new videos.